Hi everyone. I've had a bit of a challenging couple of days with, well, there's been some big things going on in my life over here in Vegas, and it's hard to complain since I know things are so much more challenging around the world. But nonetheless, I thought I would do a balance around self-love, self-worth, self-esteem, that sort of thing, since that's what's on my mind today. Oops. And part of the reason for me is that obviously this year, with everyone being at different spaces in their life, different spaces on the planet, different belief systems, different goals, different levels of worthiness with where they're at, it's just been challenging with some family members, some friends, some relationships in my world. So I thought I would do a few quick little goals and affirmations. Okay, so just open up to universal energy. Feel Mother Earth energy coming up through your feet. And allow Father energy to come down from the sun. Okay. I value myself and my purpose. I value myself and my purpose. Interesting. So even with that little affirmation, that little goal, my brain, my amygdala goes into wanting to run away. I value myself and my purpose. Don't forget, we're still in this really high energy space in the planet, so what am I holding on to? What do I need to let go of? I value myself and my purpose. I realize that I am a universal part, an integral part of the universal plan. I realize that I am an integral part of the universal plan. Okay, I realize that I am an integral part of the universal plan. That's popped my body into a pain and punishment circuit. So something about my brain doesn't think that's true, doesn't think I'm worthy. Interesting. It's gone back into a little part of my past where I wasn't worthy, I wasn't deserving. As I look in the mirror, I see true beauty that is myself. As I look in the mirror, I see true beauty that is myself. As I look in the mirror, I see true beauty that is myself. Once again, that's wanting to run away rather than looking in the mirror. Are you okay with the person you are today? Is there anything you need to let go of? Are there any people you need to let go of? Any relationships you need to let go of? I am secure in the knowledge that it's okay to be me. I am secure in the knowledge that it's okay to be me. I am secure in the knowledge that it's okay to be me. That one's frustration, rage, and anger. I am secure in the knowledge that it's okay to be me. The thing that's triggering in my mind was when I was a kid. There was a couple of us girls who were, I don't know whether we weren't popular, but we weren't rich anyway. We weren't the wealthy ones in the class. And it always felt like there were three of us, that we would always be on the outer at school, on the outer at parties. I am secure in the knowledge it's okay to be me. I deserve to be loved. 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 It's also a pain and punishment circuit. Okay. There is nowhere else in the world I would rather be than here right now. There is nowhere else I'd rather be in the world than here right now. There is nowhere else I'd rather be in the world than here right now. I fully accept myself now and always. I fully accept myself now and always. I fully accept myself now and always. Escape, submission, freeze. So not quite. So I just want to go down to the solar plexus chakra. So it's just above the base chakra, around the belly button. Just work that for a moment, because that's about your core sense of self, your core sense of power, your core sense of your will, your order, your focus. What we focus on, we attract. So what are you attracting in your world right now? Are you focusing on the good? Are you focusing on the negative? And don't forget, we've got to raise that vibration. If we hear any truths that are challenging, we've got to raise our vibration. The consciousness of enlightenment is 1,000. But I sort of like the number 999. So always think, whenever you hear something that's been challenging, just energetically 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999. Just energetically bring yourself back up. Is there a flower essence? Okay. So there's an Australian bush flower essence called Angel Sword. Angel Sword is for letting go of other people's crap. It's not exactly what the manual says, but it's basically about taking on other people's negativity and allowing that to impact your health, your life, your self-worth, your self-love. Give it a shake, give it a shake, shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Wow. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Hope that's shimmied along some energy for you. Take care. Bye-bye.